Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find Discord ID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're on Discord and you need to know the Discord ID for any specific person, whether it's you or anyone else, I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up Discord. I'm on my Android phone. You can do the same on iPhone or a computer. Now, what we're going to do is tap on the U icon at the bottom right here. And what we're going to do is tap on gear icon T, the top right. Now scroll down until we get to Advanced. Under App icon, you can see here is Developer Mode. What we're going to do is toggle this on, and it will allow us to be able to see those IDs. Now I'm just going to go back, and I'm going back to basically, I'm just going to go to a random profile here. You can see this person, and you can see the three dots at the top right. I'm going to tap on it, and you can see it. Now gives me the option to copy the channel ID. So I can copy it, and then I can just open up a web page here, and I can just paste it in, and you can see that is the user ID for that Discord user. So you can find this for any Discord users. Just go to their profile, tap on those three dots, and you'll be able to copy that user ID. So that's basically how you can find Discord ID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.